Mothers, please, let's wake up. We have slept too much. Do you believe, or can you believe it, that our daughters are using hunger, to commit abortion in the higher institutions? They will use hunger. Ask me how a child will take this kind of risk. The risk of life, the risk of damaging womb, to commit abortion in our higher institutions. Mothers, please, let us wake up to our duties. Especially, I've not come for the fact that lecturers will not let children, children that just gained admission, 16, 17, 18 years children be. They will go to the extent of threatening their results. We know we are used to this, but it must stop. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Our future is being ruined. We did not send our children for them to corrupt them. We did not send our children for them to use them and throw them away as trash. Lecturers, our touches are on you from this day. Our touches are on you from this day. Beware, because you will surely pay. Go punish that lecturer that will victimize any student, especially the female students. Mothers, let us wake up. Let us wake up. Let us wake up. Let us restore the dignity of woman. A woman's dignity must be restored. Imagine a case children are using hunger. Hunger to kill. Our institutions has become a cemetery where children are being buried, killed and buried. Our daughters have become murderers. We get to stop it. Please, pastors, reverend fathers, preachers, preach against this. Children are using hangers to commit abortion. Preach against. Send it to your pastors. Send it to your reverend fathers. Send it to the preachers. Send it to evangelists. Let us evangelize. Let us stop this mess. Let us stop abortion. Activists work against lecturers victimizing children for one reason or the other. Let us come against this. Let us not ask the question tomorrow, how did we get here? If we don't uproot this evil, it will grow to trees and bear fruits. Let us stop this mess. Please share this and let people come against this. Let people work against it. If you have any comment or suggestion or how we can stop this, please send. We must stop it. What else? Our society is becoming too unbearable. The things happening here, our God is so merciful. At times I wonder why God is still keeping youths. I wonder why this God is too merciful. Children are killing. Now, wow. I couldn't bear. I was filled with goose pimples when I heard this. Please, mothers, I'm begging you. Mothers, how do we stop this? How can we stop this? Please, let us put a stop to it. Especially lecturers. How many times? We'll get there. Thank you very much.